With the outstanding growth of this AI technology that has been the talk of the time of many schools, many YouTubers, and many news agencies, not just has this AI been talked about by so many people, but its potential goes even deep into the money sector. ChatGPT has left the world thinking, is AI truly the future of mankind? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make use of this same AI ChatGPT to make $10 per hour with this particular platform. So if you are new to the channel, you want to consider hitting that subscribe button and also turning on that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on any video we post in this channel. And let's just jump right into my PC right now.
So first thing I want to do right here, I want to go to this website called Study Pool and click on become a tutor, and after doing that you can see you can earn up to 7,500 monthly just with this site. Click on apply now, and then you want to sign up with your Google account, which is much easier because you're not going to put in password and code. And after doing that, you want to just hit the Google account in which you want to use to sign up, and it will take you to the next page. And in this page, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be accepting the terms and service. And just what you want to do is that you want to click on I accept and click on I agree. And after doing that, you're going to be taken to your home page. And in this home page, if you scroll down, you will see that you can earn up to $5, $10, $38 and more just by answering questions right here as a tutor. And then you want to click on start your application because you have to certify yourself as a good tutor. But they are going to tell you not to use ChatGPT, but don't worry, we are still going to use ChatGPT anyways. So you want to just click start my exams, and after clicking on that, what is going to take you is going to take you to the next page where you're going to be acknowledging the fact that you want to start this particular exams. But first thing you want to do, you want to just go below in the description, and then you're going to see a document in which I wrote the key phrases I used in ChatGPT so that it will look more like a human wrote it. And after that, you want to just fill in all your details, all the required details from your name, your skill, the school you went to, and everything right into this platform. So what I want to do next is I want to click on next, and after clicking on next, you are going to take it to a page in which you are going to choose 3 skills. And after picking those 3 skills that you are good at, you're just going to scroll down and you are going to see where you're going to put your charge per hour, which is at least keep it minimum $10, and click on next. Now in the next page is funny because you're going to be writing an essay. Yes, and don't worry, you're going to be using ChatGPT to write this essay. So just choose your skills again. They're going to be asking you a question. You write the essay with ChatGPT and submit it to them, and then in the next page they're going to be asking you to write 3 more essays, and then you're going to be submitting your NIN, and you holding your NIN just like showing in the screen right now. And after that, that basically is the end. You submit your file, the review is, and shake it up. But don't worry, that's not the only way to make money with this website, because there's another way which you can earn up to $10 for every student who views your post. So you could see right here that people have earned up to 5,000 USD per month with this particular thing, and you can see down there that you can earn up to $10 for every student that views your distance. So all you just have to do is use ChatGPT and create a student, book or any kind of stuff that students could use, and then you just have to post it inside of this website. So you could see examples right there of different things in which you could post. That's exactly how to make. Just create the post with ChatGPT, create the booklet, create the quiz or whatever with ChatGPT, and then submit it onto this platform. And if you submit it, boom, that is how you start making money for every student who views.
So if you enjoyed this video and want more of it, just make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell.